Yeah. Oh, Tiwasavage is pleasure to see. Quick recovery.
Hope you're feeling better. We're gonna see you soon.
Yeah, we're gonna see you.
Wow, Peller at last. Peller at last. You later meant Tiwasavage. Everybody, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peller, one love.
Tupac wife. That is it. Tupac wife also this. Yeah, good sir. Good sir.
Hello, Mitty.
No, Jaffis.
Oh, hello, Travis.
Jaffis, that's
What?
my cousin.
Travis. Hello, Travis.
Quick recovery.
Quick recall. Hope you're feeling fine.
But you know we say quick recovery. You say hope he's feeling fine. Yeah. Back from the private jet. Love me, Jayo. Anything I said I want to do, come with full hand, and it will be successfully. Answer the private jet. Oh my God, I don't go.
Yeah, Tiwasavage ti gbé ẹ débẹ̀ 100. Everybody, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peller fẹ́ private jet. Oh yeah, one love.
See, a lot of people go they do private jet in there. Who's give a lot things that happen. All of your private jet stay there too. All of them private jet. My own private jet, now that side, I don't pack them, but I don't buy them. I don't tell that person who gets them, say, now, may they put that space for me down. You tell nobody pack jet. Now, me won't pack jet, but I don't buy my own. So, when I calm down, we see.